Good morning, Doc. Good morning to my co-masteran. So my assigned topic is all about constructive feedback. What is constructive feedback? By its name, constructive feedback, it refers to constructing. So with feedback, which aim is to bringing out the best of person by sharing advices, comments, and or suggestions. The primary concepts or features of constructive feedback is its ability to reap faster results, change behavior, work as motivation, give new perspective, and to identify weaknesses for improvements. How to give constructive feedback to our members on or to our pupils. First is tell them. When we say tell them, first we need to encourage them their positive aspect that need to be more enhanced and their negative aspect that need to be corrected. Second is explain them. Explanation is the crucial part because at this moment we should to deliver politely with our explanation for them also to receive it with positivity. Next is lesson them. When we say lesson them at this part, as a manager, we should not be close-ended, but instead be open-minded and open for the new ideas that came from our members for best improvement. Next is let them. When we say let them, as a manager, we should be encourage our pupils or to our members to do their best assigned at hand. How do we give constructive feedback? We can give constructive feedback by encouraging insight, sharing, achieving a goal, even if how small or big it is, checking the rude behavior that need to be corrected, encouraging autonomy during project, to believe themselves, benefits requesting them to be punctuality, to be early at all times. So what is the benefits also of constructive feedback? So the benefits of constructive feedback is it will develop and enhance learning. Second is to have communication and continuous growth. Third is engagement and resilience. Fourth is cognitive processes, and most especially to have an harmonious relationship toward our members. This cognitive feedback, constructive feedback rather, have a positive impact to our life, in which all the advices, compliments, and criticism we receive from others, we need to receive it with positivity, in which all their advices, compliments, and criticism should be our inspiration to correct our mistakes in order for us to be an effective and productive human. Because as Bill Gates said, we need others for us to improve. And that's all my report. Thank you for listening.